So this is the Caelon pilot. On the left side, you'll see grids, agent, call, and customize. This is how you will navigate through the platform. Let's start out with grids. Grids are designed to extract information across large sets of similar documents. We're going to use lease abstraction as an example. And we're going to start out by hitting add documents, upload new files, and choosing the 10 new leases that we were sent. The grid is structured very similar to a spreadsheet, but instead of traditional columns, each column acts as a question that gets asked across every document. As you can see here, I created a column called tenant name and added a description explaining what information should be extracted. I've also added several additional columns covering key lease details. You can extract text, numbers, dates, and calculations. Once everything is configured, we'll click Run. Caelon now reviews every document and extracts the requested information into a structured table. If you ever want to verify where a piece of information came from, simply click the orange citation box and Caelon will bring you to the exact location in the source document where that answer was found. You can also review and approve extractions to ensure that everything is accurate before using the information. Next, let's look at agents. Agents allow you to dive deeper into a specific document or opportunity. For this example, we're going to upload a CIM and ask it to analyze the opportunity. We're going to use a skill as well. A skill is a framework that gives the agent additional context before it starts working. The easiest way I like to think about it is like giving a chef a recipe. The chef already knows how to cook, but the recipe tells them exactly how you want the meal prepared. As you can see, the agent performs an initial triage phase, evaluates the investment opportunity, and generates a structured response based on the framework we provided. For both grids and agents, you can create your own custom workflows. This means you don't need to repeat the same setup every time you analyze a document. Next up is Cole. Cole is your own email agent assistant. So let's start out by jumping over to my inbox, and as you can see, Manas has sent me a monthly reporting package for a multifamily apartment and wants me to review it. If I was on the run, I can simply forward the email to Cole and include a short request asking Cole to review the package and provide a one-page summary. Cole can be forwarded, CC'd, or emailed directly. Once I send the message, Cole immediately acknowledges the request and begins processing the materials. Back in the platform, I can see that the analysis is currently running. A short time later, Cole returns a completed review directly to my inbox, including findings, observations, and supporting analysis. Finally, let's talk about deals. The simplest way to think about them is a dedicated folder for individual opportunities. Here, I'm creating a deal called Cypress Bend Apartments. I'm then going to click on Deal Room and I'm going to upload all of the documents associated with the opportunity, including the rent roll, reporting packages, leases, and any supporting diligence materials. Once everything is organized inside the deal, I can ask specific questions. For example, give me a summary of leases expiring within the next year. Because the agent is operating inside the deal, it only references documents associated with this opportunity. It automatically identifies the relevant files and returns the structured answers. And that's a quick overview of Caelon. If you have any feedback on the platform, simply click the feedback icon on the lower left corner and send us your thoughts. We'd love to hear from you.